You know, sometimes you get this wild idea, and instead of brushing it off, you just go, why not? For me and my wife, that idea was, let's build a humanoid robot. Not because we had millions to spend, not because we had a lab, but because we had a question, a dream, and just enough courage to say, let's take one step at a time. I'm Daniel. I've been an embedded software engineer for about 20 years, which basically means I write software that talks directly to hardware. But that's just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to building a robot. So I started learning mechanical design, CAD, and how AI actually works. My wife, she's the heart of this whole idea. She started in pharmacology, but her journey has taken her far beyond that. Into Ayurveda, Chinese medicine, yoga, neurolinguistic programming. She's a healer, a teacher, and more than anything, a believer in helping people. And one day we asked, what if all that knowledge could be passed on through a robot? Not just a toy, but a friend, a guide, a teacher, a mentor, someone or something that could support kids, parents, teenagers, to eat better, move better, think better, live better. At first it was just talk, but then I started tinkering, bought some parts, printed a prototype, sized up the form factor, just to see what was possible. The first version doesn't move yet, no AI, just a shell with dreams inside it. But I knew, if I could articulate the arms, the legs, the neck, if I could work out the motors, the gears, the structure, then we could build something real. And because I'm a software guy, I'm doing the mechanical side my own way. Brute force designing in FreeCAD using Python scripts. That way, it's parametric, reusable, modular. I'm not just making parts. I'm building a system we can expand, evolve, and share. Now you might say, aren't big companies already doing this? Yeah, they are, with more money, bigger teams. But you know what they don't have? Our reason. This project isn't just about tech, it's about wisdom, ancient and modern, packaged in a form that makes it accessible to everyone. It's about taking the healing, the knowledge, the compassion, and giving it shape. A shape that moves, that listens, that learns. A robot, yes, but more like a companion, one built by people who care. Right now, we've got a working base design. We're experimenting with articulation, integrating motors, figuring out stereo vision with cameras. It's slow, it's messy, and it's thrilling. I spend evenings coding FreeCAD parametric models, debugging circuits, studying motion systems, and every day I learn something new. We don't know how far we'll get, but that's not the point. We're here to explore, to build, to share. So if you're watching this and you feel the spark, maybe you're a maker or a parent or a dreamer, join us. Comment, connect, collaborate. Because this isn't just our project anymore, it's a movement. Let's build a robot the world hasn't seen yet. Not just a machine, but a messenger of health, hope, and human potential. One step at a time.